In this video, you will learn how to download and install the Node.js. Before we download, you have to open up the command prompt. We have to first check either we have Node.js installed in our system or not. So in the command prompt, you have to just type this command, node space dash v. Dash is hyphen v, okay? Node space hyphen v. Press enter. So you can see Node is not installed in our system, so it means we have to download and install. So just type download Node.js, first link which says node.js.org. Just go inside that website and it will redirect you to the download page. In the download page, go to the pre-built installer and here you will see download Node.js. Make sure that what is your system. My system is Windows, Windows operating system, okay? If you have Mac OS, then select Mac OS. If you have Linux, then go with Linux. So in my case, I have Windows, so Windows is chosen, and then click on download Node.js. Then go to your downloads and double click on the file which you downloaded, which is the Node.js download file, okay? Now click next, I accept, next, 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 and install. So it has been installed successfully. Click finish. Now let's close the browser. Now first we will open command prompt as an administrator and we will run the command node-v and you can see Node has been installed successfully. Now if we run the command prompt directly without as an administrator, then we want to check node-v. So you can see that it has been installed successfully. Now let's create our first Node.js project. So for that purpose, first of all, for example, you want to create a Node.js project on your desktop. So I will create first a new folder. I will give it name as Amazon _ clone. Okay, or you will say backend _ Amazon _ clone. Backend Amazon clone is the name of this folder. And I place it on the desktop. Then open up the Visual Studio Code. So the Visual Studio Code is open now, as you can see. Now the next thing you have to do is click on File and click on Open Folder. Navigate to the desktop and here we have our backend Amazon clone. Select folder, okay, select and click on Select Folder. So backend Amazon clone is open now in our VS Code. Now click on Terminal, New Terminal, and in the terminal you have to run this command npm space init. So our package name is backend _ Amazon _ clone. Press enter, then press enter. In the description you can say, like, for example, this is the backend of Amazon clone app. Okay, just write any description you want and press enter. Then it asks for the entry point to our Node.js project. So the entry point will be index.js file. Okay, so press enter. Click enter, 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 and then license. Click enter. Is this okay? Yes. Click enter. Now if you see here, this package.json file is created. If you open it, you will see here the name, version, description, man, scripts, author, and license. The name of our package, or you can say the name of our project, which is backend _ Amazon _ clone. And the entry point, the important thing is this one, which is the entry point by the name index.json. Copy this name and we have to create a new file by the same name, which is index.json. Now just for the testing purposes, we are going to print out a message using the console.log, and we will say inside the double quotes, we will say this is test, or you can say hello world, it is up to you. Okay, and now make sure to put a semicolon at the end. So now to test the application in the terminal, you have to run the command which is node and our entry point name, which is index.js. Press enter. If you don't get input, make sure to first save the project, save all. Okay, and when you save all, then run again node index.js and you will see the result. This is test hello world. So before testing, make sure that you save the project by clicking save all, and then run the command node space index.json, and it will tell you this is test hello world, which is our first line of code for testing in Node.js.